In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block email on Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by signing in to your Hostinger account and opening the dashboard. Use the same credentials you normally use for hPanel and take a moment to confirm you're in the right account and on the correct domain so you don't change settings for the wrong email. Once you're logged in, look for the email section on the dashboard and click on it. This is where Hostinger keeps everything related to your domain's mailboxes. When you arrive in the emails area, navigate to the email tab and locate the webmail option. Clicking webmail will take you directly into your email interface. Different Hostinger versions may look slightly different, but the webmail entry is usually clearly labeled. If you have multiple mailboxes, make sure you open the one you want to manage. Inside webmail, open the Settings, Options, or Preferences menu. Hostinger's interface sometimes uses different wording, but the entry for email settings will be there. Within those settings, find and click on the block option. This is the control that lets you prevent messages from unwanted sources from reaching your inbox. Next, locate the search bar in webmail and use the Show Search Options feature, which is typically on the right side of the bar. This expands additional fields you'll use to target specific senders. In the From field, enter the domain name you want to block. You can type a full domain like example.com or a specific address if you prefer to block a single sender. Be careful with formatting. Including the @ symbol is helpful when targeting a full domain or a single address. After entering the domain, click Create Filter. You'll see options for how the filter should treat matching messages. Select the Deleted option to automatically remove any email that comes from that domain going forward. This action applies to future messages, so existing emails in your inbox won't be retroactively deleted unless you run a separate cleanup. Finally, click Create Filter again to save and activate the rule. A quick tip: double-check the domain spelling before saving filters to avoid accidentally blocking legitimate senders. If you ever need to reverse the change, return to the Filters area in webmail and delete or edit the rule. That's it. Blocking emails on Hostinger is straightforward once you know